Okay, here's another QVT for you, and I think I may call it a night after this. Hemming. Flawless hems every time. Here's what I do. I baste the hem all the way around first. In this particular case, the hem is going to be a narrow hem, which is 5/8 folded once and folded again. So what I do is baste all the way around 5/8 of an inch. Remove it from the machine. Now I have my base stitch. Now all I have to do all the way around is fold up to that stitch, fold up to the stitch. I'm using the stitch as my guide. Fold up to the stitch all the way around. It even works on shirt tail hems when you have a curved hem. I'm just finger creasing right now. Then all I gotta do is refold. You can see the stitch right here. Then when I'm done refolding, tucking, I have a guide to even tuck. Stitch my hem all the way around. It'll be all the same, not one side longer than the other, not wompy and wonky, all nice and neat. Make sure you sew yourself a guide. It can be 5/8 of an inch. It can be 1 inch. It's up to you. And after you get done putting in your hem, you can just take this out because it's a baster. Or you can leave it in if you don't feel like taking it out. It's all about you. But good habit says take it out. Stitch in yourself a guide and follow your guide. Perfect hem every time. Hope this helps.